Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the new features for the CapCut updates in 2023 and 2024. So the things that you have to do now is make sure that you already update your CapCut application. And the way you update the CapCut application on iPhone, you just need to find the App Store, and then after that you just need to go into the search button, and in the search part or search sections here, you just need to type a CapCut. Okay, and after that you just need to go click it, and whenever it's open, and then you just need to go click it. And if you haven't updated yet, here will be written an update, and you just need to go click it and confirm, follow all of the instructions to update your CapCut application. So after you updating, so here is the newest updates of the CapCut. So after updating your CapCut, there will be like a new features here, which is the create with AI. So the CapCut already provides to you a trending videos from the TikTok, product photos and posters that completed with the AI technology that you can use. So you just need to explore all of these new features according to what you need. If you want to create a TikTok videos, go into the trending videos, and after that you just need to find out the recommends templates that you can use for your TikTok videos, and you just need to go click it and follow all of the instructions by use templates, and just add all of the instructions right here. And after that you just need to go click next. And after you finish, you just need to go click export. And now you also have the shortcuts way. Either you want to directly share into your TikTok, or you only want to save it from your device. And that's the way, and that is the new features on a CapCut after you updating it in 2023 and 2024. Hopefully this video is helping for you guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.